back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that is what you're looking for, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. And if you have and you're one of my little doll babies, you know I love you. Thank you so much for being here. I have a wig review. This was a subscriber request, and this is Outre LEILANI. And she is 32 inches long. She's part of that V-cut line. I absolutely love this line from Outre. And I have her in the color DR2 / Rose Gold. I scooped her from Wig Types for $27.94. It is a lace front wig. It says pre-punked.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Pre-plucked lace front. It did come with baby hairs, though I usually cut most of them off. I would really like to see LEILANI in this color, which is DRFF / Golden Amber. I may have to do that. Let's just talk about her. Density is amazing. It is a silkier sort of texture, beachy waves. I do like the color mix on this rose gold. If you can see, there's various colors in there. Definitely number 2 root, so it's a darker root. Let's look at her from the back. She's long. I mean, she's long. She's long, but she's not super thick, so that is nice. So this is her from the back. I'm really enjoying this wig. I don't have any other combs in or anything. I don't feel like the wig cap is overly large, but I'm not having to use any combs. I tightened it a little bit. I do like the look of this wig. I'm not crazy about the pink color. Just because I'm quite particular about my pink wigs. I like them to be more in the sort of like salmon or ashy pink color as opposed to this, which is a little more bubblegum pink. But the wig itself, I really think I may get this wig in another color because I'm digging the actual wig as far as the construction, how it looks. I love every wig that I've ever tried from this particular line, so I think I may get her in another color. If you would like to see LEILANI in another color, go ahead and put that down below. Other than that, I'm pleased with her. She took me about 2 seconds to get together. I'll include all those clips. She is snagging a little bit, but they're coming out fairly easily. She's long, so usually I put like all long wigs, I put all the hair to the front. Yeah, she's catching a little bit. She can easily be trimmed up though if you want her to be a different length. So that's what I have to say about LEILANI. If there is another Outre wig you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. If you have LEILANI and you want to make a comment, if you have her in the color that I want, that like brown amber color, please let me know what you think of her. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.